Earnings show mixed results. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Nvidia is set to open a little higher, and while we don't have the earnings call from Nvidia yet, we will by the end of the day. The earnings estimate is for 84.5 cents per share. Revenue is expected to be $38.1 billion. It is worth noting that Nvidia is stuck between the 200-day EMA and the 50-day EMA indicators in a spot that generally is pretty noisy to begin with. So with that being said, do expect quite a bit of volatility and also recognize that there is a significant uptrend line underneath. Tesla continues to slide as traders are trying to come to grips with the poor earnings. The problem, of course, is that we find Tesla sitting right at the 200-day EMA, and it does look like it is going to try to bounce into the open. That would not be a huge surprise, considering that Tesla has a long history of massive moves in both directions, and just about every time you think the company is going under, it turns around and goes straight up in the air again. While there isn't any real signs of that yet, we are at a point where one would have to assume that certain technical traders out there would be interested in maybe having a go at this. And Super Microcomputer looks like it is going to race higher. That being said, the earnings were a downward surprise, but the revenue was a positive one, and it looks like we could open up $10 higher on the open, which obviously would be a big move in what was previously a $45 stock. If this market can continue higher, the $66 level is an area I'd be watching very closely because that was your last swing high. At that point in time, trend traders will begin to recognize that Super Microcomputer is in fact in an uptrend. Regardless, this doesn't look like a stock that you'll be shorting anytime soon, and it does look like it's got some volume behind it as well, so this all comes together for what could potentially be a rather strong move to the upside. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.